Hi guys, my name is Faisal. You are watching Technology in the Future. So the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra could get this big surprise upgrade. New massive UFS 4.0 storage could give next generation Galaxy phones a performance boost. It is already reported that the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will get a camera with a record high resolution of 200 megapixels. At the same time, the device will use the third generation of a 200 megapixel module. New according to the latest news, the new flagship Galaxy S23 Ultra or whatever the next flagship smartphone from Samsung will be called could get a speed boost in the form of faster storage. The UFS 4.0 that's because the South Korean giant Samsung has taken the covers off its new massive universal flash storage UFS 4.0 offers faster read and write speeds as well as better efficiency and bandwidth than the current UFS 3.1 storage with a rated speed of up to 4200 MB per second and a write speed that tops out at 2800 MB per second. UFS 4.0 basically offers double the performance of the last generation storage and per land speed can hit 23.2 Gbps, again double that of UFS 3.1, which should work well with 5G supported phones where a lot of data is being processed. The South Korean giant also noted that power efficiency has been improved, meaning that next generation flagship smartphone that makes use of UFS 4.0 could benefit from faster storage. Without taking a hit of battery life, power efficiency has also been enhanced. The next generation UFS 4.0 will deliver a sequential write speed of 6.0 MB per second of milliampere, which is a 46 improvement over the previous generation, so an user can get more out of their battery life. In the real world terms, this will likely translate into much faster loading times for apps, especially those that have heavy data processing requirements, such as graphically intensive games. It could also mean that handling big offers of data-rich raw images on a smartphone becomes notably faster than it currently is. As said, we could posit that UFS 4.0 could be seen in the next Galaxy S9 flagship or even the likes of the Samsung Galaxy Z44. Realistically, though, reports suggested that UFS 4.0 mass production won't get underway until the third quarter of this year, which might be too late for Samsung's next foldable phone, but the faster storage would certainly be ready in time for the Galaxy S23 Ultra official launch, which would likely happen in early 2023 if Samsung sticks to its usual pattern of Galaxy S rollout. Samsung also said UFS 4.0 could be adopted in future automotive application or and VR as well, which would hint that a South Korean electronics giant could be working on new VR and AR technology. It is expected that the new Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone will be officially launched in February 2023. So this is new information about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. You will take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.